Support for interactive processing. Directions are given to the computer. After some kind of processing has been done, work proceeds again by giving directions and responses. This is called interactive processing. The exchange of directions between humans and the computer is interactive. In particular, many PCs and workstations use this system to proceed with work. There are many innovations for smooth interactive processing. 1. Inviting input. The urging of humans to input directions and data is called inviting input. Necessary information is put on the display screen and instructions and responses from humans are awaited. The quality of the user interface is determined by the way information is displayed and by what kind of information is displayed. A. Prompt. A computer displays a prompt to let the user know that input is allowed, or that input is needed. The mark that indicates the place where input is to be done is called the cursor. The blinking of the cursor, or the display of special symbols such as a with greater than sign and question mark, are examples of prompts. A computer displays a prompt after a message to report the present status or an event that has occurred. After confirming the prompt, the user gives directions for the next processing or response by means of the input device, in accordance with the status. B. Menu. The computer displays a list of items on the screen, which is called a menu. It includes the processes to be accepted by the computer, the types of possible processes in response to the event generated, the detailed items to be specified for the process execution, etc. It is the same idea as a menu in a restaurant. The user chooses what is needed from the list of items displayed by typing in a number. The user also may use a pointing device like a mouse, to be explained later, to indicate a selection. If necessary, the user may input specific items using the pointing device. It is easier than inputting everything from the keyboard and there are fewer mistakes. C. Icon. A symbol designed to make the menu or message easier to understand is an icon. By using an icon that makes the processing content or the data easy to understand, mistakes decrease compared to written explanations. It also has the effect of making operations more fun. 2. Help. It would be a big load on the user to have to remember all of the details of computer operations and the content of directions. Because of this, there is a function that lets the user quickly look up needed information when he or she has questions. This function is called help. Recently, since software functions have greatly increased, this help function has also become more sufficient and effective. 3. Window. A window is a function for displaying multiple menus or software screens on a display. Most windows are used in combination with icons. It looks like an open window, so it is called a window. Several windows, multi-windows, can be displayed on computers executing multiple software applications at the same time, and processing can be switched instantly. An interface that uses designs such as icons, windows, etc. is called a GUI, graphical user interface.